Hello, welcome and thank you for joining me. Today in Bloom's Kitchen, it's going to be a loaded package. We are going to be unboxing my new Ninja Foodi Deluxe. It's a 2-in-1 pressure cooker and air fryer. We're going to unbox it and then I'm going to be making grilled lamb chops with crispy smashed potatoes. So I'm going to use my new Ninja with the old one side by side and we'll see how it comes out. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, keep watching, and I'll be right back and we'll go through the ingredients. Thank you. So we're going to start with a green marinade. I got this recipe from my friend's mom a while back. And I'm just going to run through the ingredients quickly, and then I'll use my food processor to chop it up together, pour it into the lamb, and then we'll let it rest in the fridge for a few hours. So I'm going to be saying salt to taste, chicken stock powder, cayenne pepper to your taste, 1 to 2 cups of olive oil or any other oil you have. I'm going to be using 1 cup of basil, 2 cloves of garlic. If you like more garlic, you can increase it. I'm going to be using fresh rosemary, 1 onion, some cilantro, ginger. We're going to be using a few stalks of green onions. I'm going to be using 4 stalks of celery stalk, and then I'm going to use 1 leek. If you don't have leek, then you can just use more of your green onions. And then I'm going to be using parsley, 1 bunch of parsley. And then I'm going to be using yellow and green pepper. So we are going to start.
Don't feel like having a Bud Light, how's tequila with some salt and lime? Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Can I say that you're looking real nice? We'll love to chat right now before I get high. When you gaze into my eyes, I feel like I'm on cloud 9. You bang harder than 4th of July. I think I can go all night, yeah. The way you bite your lips, blush and smile you give, you're just so stunning. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something special made me think about you. About you, you, you. About you, you, you. Party foul, help her out, grab a towel. But they cheered to the governor while the beer was a lover. chores now. We got this, so rest assured. And when I think out loud, there's always a crowd. Smoking heavy cloud.
So we're going to be using baby potatoes. If you don't have the smaller ones, you can use the big ones. Just make sure you wash it thoroughly because we are going to be cooking it with the skin on. And then here I have olive oil, salt, and I'm going to be using cayenne pepper. If you have black pepper, feel free to use your black pepper. Just use pepper to your taste. And here I have 1 stick of butter. I'm going to melt this to brush on the potatoes when it's going in the oven. So we are going to start first by cooking the potatoes before we bake it in the oven. So right now I have my water on the stove already. I'm going to be using a gravy mix for my gravy today. I'm not making it from scratch. I like this one from Costco. And here I have my lamb. They've been marinating for about 3 hours. So I just showed you the video of how I did that. So keep watching. We're going to wash the potatoes first, put on the stove, and then we'll get unboxing. Thank you. This is the Ninja Foodi Deluxe pressure cooker. It comes with a deluxe reversible rack and it has a lot of functions. It can pressure cook and air crisp. So you can, it says it can cook from frozen to crispy in 20 minutes. You can cook your main dish and it can cook a whole chicken up to 7 pounds. And here you see it has so many different functions. I'm looking forward to checking out that yogurt function. So just turning the box around now is just the same information there. And then on the top, it shows you the accessories that comes with it. We'll be looking at those closely once we have unboxed them. And then it also comes with a cookbook. So just unboxing it there. I'm going to turn the box so you can have a better view. So just turning it sideways for you to see. So it comes with a lot of instructions about the pressure cook and air crisp function. And here I'm showing you the instructions for the crisping lid and the pressure cooking lid. And here is just showing the reversible racks and then the different temperatures for cooking. This is a cookbook, really has a lot of menus and a lot of recipes. And then it has a chart for pressure cooking, steam charts, and air crisp charts. That way you can go there and check out what you're cooking and how long you need to cook it for. This is just more instructions there. And this is the reversible rack. This is one part of it. We'll be looking at the other things once we bring them out. So that is the pressure lid, and that is the second part of the reversible rack. So it has 2 handles on the side. So I'm just going to take off the plastic wrappings and then we'll be able to look at it a little bit more close. So this is what it looks like out of the box. It has good handles on both sides. There's a vent on top of here. So like they said, it has 2 lids. This is the crisper lid and it has so many different functions. You can pressure cook, steam, slow cook, and you can also use that settings to make your yogurt. You can sear, for those of us who saute before we do our chili. Then you can air fry, you can broil. So we are going to be using this to grill our lamb chops today. You can bake and you can dehydrate. Also, you can keep your food warm. So if you use this as a rice cooker or even for your chili, you can use this to keep warm. So it has so many different functions. So I'm just going to open this lid for you to see and I will turn it around. So that is what the crisping lid looks like. So this one is for pressure cooking. So this is the lid for pressure cooking and this is what the inside looks like. Okay, and so it comes with some it says peel here. So this is where you seal or vent when you are cooking. So if you want to remove the steam, you vent, and then if you want to seal and keep the pressure in, you turn it back to seal. You can see that. And then here just has more instructions. So this comes on here when you are pressure cooking. So the crisper basket or a reversible rack, they call it as reversible rack. So you can put the 2 on. So I'm going to be using the 2 when I'm doing my grilling in a bit. And then we're just going to see what they have for us in here. So this is your crisper basket. So it's a good size. So this is what you use to air fry. Okay. And then it comes also with your pressure cooking pot. So it's almost as like, I think it's the same size as my Instant Pot pressure cooker. I did a review of that as well on my channel if you want to check it out. And in here you just have the, I'm just going to put that away. So in here you just have the heating element at the bottom of the pot. And of course you have the wire for plugging it. I think it's sitting on it somehow. Okay. So at all times your pot should always be in there, whether you are using the crisper basket with it or not. So that goes in there like so. And you can also bake with this. So definitely I will be doing some baking to see. I'm just going to put the second lid to see how it closes. Hopefully I'm able to. Let's turn it first to the front. Okay. Because the instruction is right here that when it goes this way, you're closing it. Finally. Okay, so you can see when it's coming this way, it's locked. So when you want to pressure cook, that's what you do. And then when you're done, you just open it. So it took me a while to figure that out. So that is easy enough. Okay. And so we're going to go on right now to grill our lamb chops. And I'm going to be using both racks. So inside here, I just noticed something as well. It shows you how many cups. I don't know if you can see the calibration. No? Okay. potato is done and it tastes amazing. I tried it already. Come with your favorite dipping sauce. I have ketchup, chipotle, and barbecue sauce. If you've never tried potatoes this way, you're missing out. So the lamb chops are done as well. This one is from the Ninja Deluxe. That is the new one, the Ninja Foodi Deluxe. And this is from my Ninja Foodi 5-in-1 grill. So overall, the Deluxe has more cooking surface because of the 2 racks. I was able to grill 4 lamb chops at a time, whereas the other one was able to grill 3 at a time. But cooking time wise, I think they cook about the same, even if this grill for the old one uses 500 Fahrenheit and this one uses 450. So it's almost about the same time in cooking. I did add about 2 minutes to the Deluxe one. So I'm going to taste them and see if they taste the same. So this is from the Ninja Foodi Deluxe. And as you can see, the lamb is juicy. I like my meat well done. So we used about 18 minutes, and for the Deluxe about 20 minutes. Those of you who do not like your meat well done, you can reduce the time. And this one is from my 5-in-1 Ninja Foodi grill. So the 5-in-1 cooks it more, like it's more done than the new one, the Ninja Foodi Deluxe. But overall, the taste is the same, just that the Deluxe is a little bit more juicy, okay? But I like the grill of this one because you get more char on it. So you are going to be seeing a lot of recipes from both. Since the new one, you can also bake in there. So I'm really looking forward to trying it out. So let me know what's your experience using the Ninja or any other air fryer for that matter in grilling. How does it compare with your outdoor grill? Let me know, leave me a comment and try these potatoes and also leave me a comment. Until next time when I bring you another exciting recipe, have a blessed and wonderful day.
Alright. Okay.